Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, today I am discuss job in one of the top company Accenture. 2019 to 2020 batch freshers and experience are eligible this drive. In this video I am discuss about eligible criteria and how to fill application form. So watch this video till end. If anyone preparing for interviews in top companies, check interview video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. In registration form, you should fill the details carefully and photograph must be clear. Fill the captcha and click on next. The company assigned role to students is associate software engineer. Let's see the job description. What would you do? As an associate software engineer, you would largely be involved in design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application using business requirements. Understand business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectations. Bake technology trends into solutions, participate in the development of automotive solutions, new functionality and technologies and integrate them in existing solution. What we need, we would love you have ability to participate, ability to anticipate and resolve business issue with agility, multidisciplinary and versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, good analytical and problem solving skills and proficient in verbal and communication skills, deliver code to time and quality expectations and participation in peer reviews, to read all the details before to apply. Let's see what are the skills required to do this job. Basic understanding on ABAP development on HANA, CDS, AMDP performance analysis. Experience or knowledge in configuration, customization of Salesforce.com applications. Knowledge and development experience of .NET, ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC. Let's see how to fill the application form. How did you find out about this job? If you get this information from YouTube, you click on social media and advertisement. Personal details. You should fill the first name as mentioned in your PAN card, middle name, last name, university roll number, working email ID and contact number, WhatsApp consent. If you get messages from Messenger through WhatsApp, you click on yes, otherwise no. Alternative mobile number. Date of birth, gender, highest education profile. If you are from BTech, you click on undergraduate. If you are from PG, MCA, you click on postgraduate. If you wish to add more details, you click on add more. Otherwise, it's not mandatory. Professional details. If you already work in any company, you should mention your experience. Are you working currently? If yes, then click yes. Otherwise, no. Do you have any offer in hand? If you already any job in any other company, you click on yes, otherwise no. If you choose yes, your chances are less to get this offer. Skills details, primary skills, SFDC, SAP, ABAP, .NET others. If you are good in any of these skills, you should choose one. Secondary skills, where have you used the secondary skills? Certification, if you are completed any of these certifications, you should mention. Your chances are more to selected. Salesforce platform developer, Salesforce platform app builder, Salesforce administrator, programming in C, developing ASP.NET MVC web applications. Preferred locations, you must choose 3 preferred locations based on your interest. Bangalore cluster 1, Bangalore cluster 2, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune cluster 1 and cluster 2. Other details, gap in education. More than 1 academic year, no gap, less than 1 academic year, 1 academic year. Have you worked in Accenture before? Full time? Then choose yes, otherwise no. Standing backlogs. You have no backlogs? Click on no. Have you applied for any role at Accenture in last 6 months? You are not eligible this drive. Are you an Indian citizen? then click on Indian. After fill all details, you should attach your resume and passport photo. Passport photo should be at least passport size photograph. Uploaded passport size photograph should be at least not older than 2 months. After fill all details and upload all documents, you should click on privacy and policy. Later click on submit. You are notified by company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.